guys, we have got a marriage prep course happening here at Excel Church for those that are getting married. So if you know someone or you yourself are going to be getting married in the near future, then why not come along to this course? It's going to be happening in March on 2 Saturdays, on the 19th and 26th, from around 3 till 7 p.m. in the afternoon. So you can join for that course if you're getting married in the near future, but you must book online or just get in touch with us if you'd like a bit more information.
He has won. Death is swallowed up in victory through the sun.
Fancy a spot of gardening? Well, we've got a little bit of a gardening club growing here at Excel Church. So if you're interested in volunteering to help out the community with gardening, then get in touch with Tom Morgan and he'll have some more information of some events that are coming up that you can be a part of.
To those who seek the love of a perfect Father, hope has come. To those who seek.
Ladies, this one is for you. Our next devoted event is happening on Saturday, the 6th of March, and you're invited. And you can also invite a friend along, so do spread the word a little bit. But we're going to have pizza, games, and lots of fun here. So you can book in for this via Church Suite or our website, and it's only £8. So make sure that you come along, get yourself booked in, and why not invite a friend too? But ladies, it's just for us lot, so it's going to be fun.
The grave has lost its sting and its grip on me, 'cause he has won. Yes, he has won.
The Accelerate course is going to be happening at Excel Church in March, and it's a 4-part series which is going to be happening on every Monday night in the evening in March. But this is a course designed for you to figure out how you can best serve in the body of Christ. It goes through your personality, your giftings, and it gives you all you need to know about you and where you can fit into the body of Christ serving. So it's ideal for new Christians, but honestly, it's for anybody to do. So if you're a Christian and you'd like to do it, then get in touch with us and you can sign up for that course on our website or on Church Suite.
Jesus has won. Sing it louder, sing it louder.
Don't forget that this week on Wednesday at 7:30 is our Bible study, where we're going to be looking at the series and the book of Esther. So it's going to be an exciting one, so make sure you join us for that on Wednesday at 7:30 for Bible study and prayer. And that's all for Excel News, so if you'd like any more information, head to our website or get us on social media, and have a great week, guys.